What's going on? My name is Michael Petty, and so I was at work the other day. This happened yesterday, matter of fact. And I work outside, and I work as a spotter driver, so I had to go inside to do something. And as I was going inside, I heard the individual say, "Man, they sending me home." I just overheard that, and I was like, "Man, that's messed up." Luckily for me, in the job I do, now I can't get as much overtime as I want to, because if that's the case, I'm working 60 plus hours a week, 6 days a week. Sundays off, Monday through Saturday I'm working. That's if I had the choice. But doing that, of course, take time off for family. Not gonna neglect them. But I was inside, and it was the guy was like, "They're sending me home," and I hear this often. I've been in the job for 27 years, so I heard this a lot. Right? They even did that to me a lot of times, but and I wanted more hours, but I sent home. But luckily for me, now I'm in a position I can get overtime every week and work 10 hours. But if I decide I want to stay an extra hour and a half every single day, I can do that. There's no issue as long as I'm putting in the work. I work as a spotter driver, so there's always something to do. So if people want to make extra money, anytime you work a job, you always going to be limited. All the time, period. It don't even matter, right? Even if you can get all the hours you want, you're still limited to the amount of money you can make. I want more money at the same time. I don't want to spend all day on my job. I would if I have to, you know what I'm saying? But I don't want to spend all day on my job. I want to be able to spend time with my family. I'm a big homebody, right? But I work the overtime, so when I do take vacation and want to take my family out, I can do that. So besides being tied down to a job only, I position myself to make money 24/7. Right? Now, do I make money 24/7? No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying you constantly making money all day, every day, money coming in, but it's about positioning yourself where a person can see your post, your video, something where they drive traffic to the link in the description is down below. And they can say to themselves, "I want to position myself to make that type of money. I want to position myself to make those instant commissions. I don't want to wait till payday. I want to make it today. I make a sale today, I get paid today, and I get to choose how I get paid." That's a better position to be in, because you're not tied down to time. You're tied down to how many people can you get to check out the information? How many people, how many eyeballs can you get on a link? Can you get to the link, right? How many, is your message strong enough to get people to understand or say to themselves, "That's what I want. I need to get more information about that." So they click on the link down in the description, enter the email address, and they can watch the presentation to see how can they position themselves for instant commissions that they don't have to wait on. That they can make money every single day. Not saying they will, but they have the ability to get paid every single day, right? That's a good feeling to be in, because like right now, I'm pulling up to a gas station, and you never know, by the time I go in, do what I got to do, and come back out, I could earn a commission. And that's possible. Or you're watching this video right now, ain't no telling what I'm doing at the moment you're watching this video. You may click the link, say, "You know what, let me get started in this thing, because that's what I need." Right? I work full time. I'm not making enough money, but I like to tie myself to something that is not tied directly to time. I don't have to sell my time for money. I can just put information out there that's going to attract the right person, okay? And they can say the same thing that I just did. "I want money, let me get started." They can say the same thing, then I can make money at the same time. So if that's you, click the link down in the description. Let me go take care of what I got to take care of. My name is Michael Petty. See you in the next video.